Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do blue comment on TikTok. To do blue search comment on TikTok, you need to first find the keywords. After you've found the keywords of the video, you need to include them in your comment. TikTok will then algorithmically turn your comment into a blue search comment if it's related to the video. Note, you cannot make the search comments yourself as it's algorithmically decided. Here's a quick guide on how to link searches in the comments. Find the keywords of the video from the video itself, captions, hashtags, and comment section. Include the keywords of the video in your comment. Using this method, your comment has a very high chance of turning into a blue search comment. However, it does not work 100% of the time because the process is algorithmic. The algorithm decides which comment to link and which comment to not link. That said, here are some tips to get the blue search comment almost all the time. First, open the comment section and look for existing blue search comments. Copy the blue keywords and include them in your comment. Popular videos on the For You page tend to work better because they have more data. As a result, TikTok will be able to better determine if there are keywords in your comment that are relevant to the video. If they are, the specific keywords will be linked to the search results and users will be able to select it to go to the search result page of that keyword. If it's a new video, TikTok will have a harder time telling if certain keywords in your comment are related to the video. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.